I have been working as a web developer since 2011. I have seen how industry shifted from PHP to Node.js, jQuery to React. But 2026 is totally different. AI changed everything. You open your laptop and type one prompt, and AI build your website under 2 minutes. No bugs, no design issues, and fully responsive. To be honest, if AI can do that, why would any company hire you as a web developer? Do you really think in 2026, if you just complete a web development course is enough to secure your future? If that's your plan, that you are doing the same mistake that millions of Indian students doing every single year. They follow the trends without understanding the data. Back in 2020, the story was different. But today, being a full-stack developer is as common as having an engineering degree in 90s. Everyone has it. That's why its value dropped. At the same time, AI quietly eating entry-level jobs. While everyone chasing web development, another field has been quietly growing in the background: app development. So now the real question is app development is actually better career than web development? Is it more secure? Is it more high paying? Is it future proof? Or is this another wave of FOMO? In case of app development, there are two worlds. One is native and another is cross-platform. But the apps are expensive. It has more maintenance costs. They have a restriction in Play Store and App Store policy. That's why not every startup build an app. Like UPI app, fintech platform, health tech platform, gaming, and social media. These are not side projects. And yes, the salary is generally higher than web, especially for the strong native developers. But breaking as a fresher is much higher, because app development is not just about UI. You need to understand memory management, hardware optimization, platform tuning, even on-device AI. Harder the entry barrier, higher the job security. In case of India, context matter. India never became a desktop-first country. We skip that phase. We become the mobile-first nation. Think about it. UPI payment, food delivery, banking, shopping, everything runs on mobile app. And this app must run smoothly on your 1000 rupees Android phone and also on flagship device. That's the level of optimization and engineering. That's why the real money in 2026. So does this mean web development is totally dead? No, not even close. But the app development market is growing bigger. If your goal is higher salary and better job security, then go for app development. Here, my advice is for you: don't become a generalist, because generalists are the first to be replaced. If you choose web, then go deeper with cloud architecture and WebAssembly. If you choose app, then master the hardware and performance. Because at the end, your career is not decided by web or app. It is decided by how rare your skill is.